Hello, everyone. My name is Evelina Mavridis, and I'm the founder of Clinit. Our vision is to revolutionize clinic industry with tech, trust, dignity, while upskilling and uplifting the entire clinic workforce. Our ambition is to become the #1 clinic marketplace in Southeast Europe. Now, what are the problems, the solution, and our USP? In B2C, booking independent cleaners, as we all know, can be risky and unreliable. And in B2B, there is no digital coordination or quality control. So what is our solution and what we came up with? All-in-one marketplace, no freelancers, no independent, just experts. We partner exclusively with professional clinic companies and FMs, which provide us with vetted cleaners who are trained, credible, and insured. Our USP and what we do differently is that we combine tech with trust and social impact. What we want to do is to uplift the entire mentality around clinic industry and the cleaners. We want to provide them with education opportunities, fair employment, and fair wages. Now, a few things about the market and the competition in Greece. Right now, clinic industry amounts to more than 1.2 billion euros in the regulated market and more than 2.5 billion in the unregulated market, which is huge. Our target clients include from B2C to B2B, and they vary to home offices, yachts, hotels, Airbnbs, tankers, whatever you can imagine. It is a service that exists everywhere. Our #1 competitor right now is black and unregulated markets. Secondary, there are several listing platforms both in Greece and in Europe which do the same model, which we do not follow because it doesn't make sense to us. A few things about our business model and our traction. We work on a commission-based. We start from 12% to 20%. We take that from the companies that we partner with, which are clinic companies and FMs. We have more than 5,000 actual users. We are available in 4 locations in Attiki, Mykonos, Thessaloniki, Chalkidiki, and we're expanding. We have partnerships with more than 35 companies. And our revenue forecast for 2025 is projected to reach 100K, and we want to break even in the Q2 of 2026. We have been trusted by a few of the greatest and biggest organizations in Greece. Among them is Nestlé, and one of the organizations that we have sponsored and support is Make-A-Wish. They are very close to our heart and to our ethos as a company. We want to support those companies and organizations. You can see yours truly here doing a daily inspection at Ace Hotel Group, which is one of our strategic recurring clients. The team, we comprise and combine tech, operations, growth, and market experience, and that's why we do what we do in the best way that we can, and why we are so different from the competition right now. Our ask, we currently raise to reach 600,000 transactions in Clinit, and to do that, we want to raise 350K for 10% equity, which will be distributed into software development, team building, operations, marketing, legal, financial, and other things that we have to do. We're not just cleaning spaces, we're cleaning up the industry. Thank you.